We've been here before. It's Linda Landman. I'm oceanfront at Oceana. Let's see what we've got.
Floor plans, 1911-2339 at 2472 are the corner units.
Okay.
All impact windows and sliders.
Okay.
And basically this one has, as you'll see, a lot of upgrades.
Yeah, it looks nice in here.
Yeah. So
Okay, so we're gonna do the walkthrough. This is a 3-2. Here we go. This is 2,000 square feet. This is tile. I'm beginning to fall in love with just doing tile. It's more difficult to pick up. This just, to me, has a better feel. This is a nice size. This particular apartment is right across the street from Publix. There's a lot of walkable here. And here's your master. These are stunning views. I like the coffered ceilings they have in these apartments. Dual closets, of course. We're on the top floor here. How much fun is that? Nice size shower. Jacuzzi tub. And we're in an interior unit.
okay.
So they're up at, they're in.
These are impact windows. This is not an old building. I want to say these units are maybe 2 years old. I love these balconies.
Keep your eye on the price.
Yeah.
Just hold out.
One of these things I could get, it would be more the market rate.
Yeah. And you know the appreciate probably in February and March go down. And that'll boost the.
So there you go. I'll put some more information down below. Let me know what you think. And as always, if you like and subscribe. So here's your beach for this condo street. This makes it really convenient. So I'll have more details below.